Hey guys, coincidentally we are literally running out of gas right now. The bike is starting to break up under throttle, and holy crap, I just need a pump. I just need a freaking pump. What is really going on? Okay, this pump doesn't have gas. This one does though. This one does. This one does. Oh, this is crazy. This is just ridiculous. Everybody's looking at me like I'm freaking retarded. Sorry guy, this is mine. You see this dude pulling up, he thought he was gonna get it. Okay. Holy crap, that's never happened before, y'all. Like, the bike was literally breaking up like you would expect it to do. Well, I don't know, some bad tuning or something. Yeah, but just a short one today, guys. I wanted to share with y'all the very simple little fix that apparently has rectified my issue with that little booger shutting off randomly. And you know, I've been fighting that problem for a while, and I was attributing it to SD cards for the longest time. And in an effort to replicate the situation, I got to swapping SD cards around and whatnot, and I couldn't get it to do it again. I couldn't get it to manually shut off the way it always was doing. And so anyways, looks like he's gonna let him get in there. Yeah, that's probably enough. And the fix, believe it or not, I feel pretty stupid for, because it's the simplest damn thing, and it's really kind of common sense when it comes to any kind of memory in general. The digital memory. For absolute sakes, guys. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. What was I saying? Yeah, format your memory cards. Now, I don't mean just erase the your footage like I was doing. Oh, but so here's the deal. Since I couldn't replicate the issue, I got to thinking about what it was that I was possibly doing differently. Look at that. I went 24.7 miles on the reserve. That's the farthest I've ever gone, y'all, and she was not happy about it. That's crazy. Yeah, so I got to thinking about what was I possibly doing differently that I wasn't doing before. And what I came up with is the fact that historically, once I'm done with, okay guy, hell out of the way. Historically, what I've always done is just use the GoPro software, the file transfer software, to delete old footage. And with that being said, I was inherently going for the longest time without ever formatting these SD cards, just constantly erasing from them and then recording over again. And I'm about 99% sure that's what the damn problem was. So yeah, use your camera's feature to format your memory cards. Actually go through the menus. And think about it is though, and I'll actually explain, when it comes to that particular camera, the Hero 3, it doesn't have an LCD screen on the back. And so it's a lot easier just to delete the footage using the GoPro software after I'm done transferring. So anyways, now I'm actually taking the time to to go through the little menu functions on the camera, which is a little bit cumbersome, but once you do it enough, it's really not that big of a deal. But you know, the Hero 4 here is nice with the LCD screen, just being able to scroll through to the format option. And that, you know, that's another thing. Since it's so easy on the 4, I always use the format feature on screen. And so now I do it for the Hero 3 as well, and guess what? I have not had a single random shutoff since I started using the format feature on there. And so there you have it, folks. Format your SD cards. And that's all I got to say about that. That's been me, guys. That's been you. That's been Half Click Up. It's the weekend, baby. Let's go. I'm out of here. Peace and a good night.